Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about 12th commerce. We all discuss about chapter number 10, that is recruitment method. Okay, so in this recruitment method, that is internal, external, and advertisement, reference, job rotation, then retention, job retention, okay, then referral by existing employees. So we discuss in chapter 10. It's a very easy lesson, okay, very important questions also. In this chapter 11, that is unit 11, chapter number 11, okay, chapter number 11, employee selection process. The employee selection process, that is steps in selection process, that is employee or steps in selection process. What is employee selection process? The employee selection process can range very from organization to organization, okay, that is totally different from organization to organization, okay. So once the particular employee does you have to check, you have to take any employee on the basis of these selection process. You have to consider these selection process, these selection methods, okay. So the selection process include these are the methods, okay. Application blank, scrutinizing the application, selection test, interview. This is very important question. These two questions very important questions, okay? Selection test and interview, okay. What are the methods? That is we have a lot of methods, okay. Selection test also I listed these are the selection test, okay. This is very important question. Aptitude, ability test and personality test, okay. And then aptitude test we have divided a lot of tests. The particular companies is conducting a lot of tests while they are conducting the interview, okay. So these are the steps in selection process, okay. So selection process is the differentiating between application in order to find out the correct persons, higher choose, that is a choice with a greater livelihood process, success, that also success in a job. Selection is the process choosing the most suitable persons for the vacant position in particular company. Most suitable person, okay, that is the selection person, very most suitable person. Most suitable person, okay. So that is a selection process, okay. So some definitions already we discussed in last video. That is a David Robbins selection is the manage the decision making process, manage the decision making, because of the companies wants to take any persons for vacant position, okay. So most that is the right people for right job. That's a very important point. Right people for right job, okay. So this is a definition of steps in selection process, okay. Okay, now these are the topic we discussed in last video. Steps in selection process, it's a very important question, okay. Application blank. The application blank, most of the public sector companies, and government selection commissions and recruitment board, that is the railway recruitment board, private sector companies also pre-printed application form. That is in some candidate direct the candidate to download the form from the websites, okay. So application form, name, then age, qualification, then is primary backgrounds, educational qualification, then the experience data. So we have listed all the particular company listed all the informations in that forms, okay. So this is called as application blank, okay. So scrutinizing applications. What do we scrutinizing? Where the applications received response to advertisement, where the application received the response to advertisement, we all discussed. These are the external source, advertisement, one of the external sources, okay. The advertisements, okay, advertisements, the public in the companies will advertise for vacant position, okay. That is called scrutinizing applications, okay. So inviting more applications for, that is a less number of vacancy. So in this situation, the particular companies scrutinize based upon experience, education qualifications, then talents, then test performance. Okay, so this is a scrutinizing applications. ஒரு scrutiny அப்படின்னு என்னப்பா, நிறைய அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் ரிசீவ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அந்த கம்பெனி. ஸோ என்ன பண்ண முடியும், உங்களால் எல்லாத்தையும் எடுக்க முடியாதுல்ல. 1 lakh ஒரு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ வந்து டிஎன்பிசி போர்டு வந்து பிஏஓ எக்ஸாம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, குரூப் 4 எக்ஸாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 7 லட்சம் பேர் 2 லட்சம் பேர் 10 லட்சம் பேர் அப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க, அவ்வளோ வச்சு அப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ எல்லாத்தையும் எடுக்க முடியாதுல்ல, அவங்க 2000 போஸ்ட் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ less number of vacancy. So here in this situation they have to scrutinize all the applications. They have to on the basis of test, on the basis of performance, on the basis of qualifications. Okay, this is called as scrutinizing the level of educations, percentage of mark, high qualifications, the level of exposure, their company will take quotas, proficiency. What is proficiency? They are based upon test. That is a short list of the candidates. Short list is a number of applications for the interview. Short list of the candidate. That is a short list. That is called as scrutinizing. Short list. Short list. Okay, this is called as scrutinizing the applicants. Okay, so selection test. What do you mean selection test? The several tests are conducted in the selection process to ensure whether the person is suitable or not. This necessary qualification fit into job. The person is having necessary qualification that is a qualification to fit into job, correct position. So now here they have to conduct the test that is called as ability test, personality test. Okay, this ability test is divided, it can be divided, it can be based upon aptitude, achievement, intelligence, judgment. Aptitude, achievement, intelligence, judgment. Personality test is based upon interest, the particular area interest, personality, the person has good personality, projective. Okay, then projective thematic test. Attitude, the person is having good attitude. Okay, particular vacancy. Okay, that is called as an ability test. Okay, what may be ability test? A test designed to measure the individual mental attitude, mental function. Okay, that is a functioning area, that is a specific area. The person is having some attitude, some performance, some skill in that is special, that is a specific area, such as variety of skills, then that is a level of exposures, the expert in particular field, reasoning ability, reasoning skills and numerical skills. These are skills is called as ability. Ability, the person having good ability, this ability to fit into job. Person correct on and the person correct on employer, is passing good attitude, good personality, good numerical skill ability, numerical attitude, problem solving ability. So this is called as ability, level of exposures. So ability test. Okay, so this ability test is based upon aptitude, achievement in particular area, intelligence, having IQ, intelligent question, judgment, decide based upon case study. The companies give giving some case study to the particular interview. Okay, so he has to take some judge for particular problem. Okay, so in this aptitude test is to measure the suitability of the candidate for the post or suitability for the candidate, post or role, and the post க்கு அவன் சரியான ஆளா, அதான் ஆட்டிடியூட். அந்த போஸ்ட்டுக்கு சரியான ஆளா, அதுக்கு அவங்க நிறைய டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க இந்த ஆப்டிடியூட் டெஸ்ட்டில். இந்த போஸ்ட்டுக்கு சரி இஸ் ஃபிட் ஃபார் வெதர் ஹீ இஸ் ஃபிட் ஃபார் அ ஜாப், is right person for particular job, vacant position. Okay, so in actually measures whether the candidate, whether the person possesses a set of skill required he is having lot of skills, required a lot of skills. Okay, so this is called as aptitude. This is called as aptitude. The person has lot of efficiency, lot of skills, lot of numerical skill, lot of verbal reasoning test, verbal reasoning, vocabulary reasoning, mental arithmetic skill, situational judgment test, then spatial reasoning test, diagrammatic reasoning test. These are the tests conducted in aptitude. Okay, so in every organization, every government sectors companies, they have to conduct this test while you are preparing bank exam, while you are preparing, that is a board exams, that is a railway recording board. Okay, so the TNPSC exams. Okay, so every exam they are asking these kinds of aptitude. Once you clear aptitude test, you will 70% you will select. You will select from particular job. Definitely you got job from for particular vacant positions because of having lot of skills. That is a number of skills required for a particular position. Okay, there is and also future performance of that candidate. So aptitudes can be measured by this following ways. Okay, following ways we already discussed in last class, last video already discussed. Numerical reasoning test. The numerical reasoning test provides information about candidate numerical aptitude. That is a numerical aptitude. This test, the first test, numerical reasoning test. Numerical reasoning test. The numerical reasoning test about the numerical aptitude, numerical information, provide new information about candidates, know the numerical methods. In other words, measure the candidate ability to calculate, ability to take correct decision. என்ன கரெக்ட் டிசிஷன் என்ன? ஒரு கரெக்ட் டிசிஷன் எடுக்கிறானா, ஒரு ஒரு எம்ப்ளாயி வந்து இப்போ ஒரு எம்ப்ளாயி வந்து ரொம்ப சிவியராக இருக்கா, ரொம்ப இஸ் நாட் ஏபிள் டு ஒர்க், இஸ் நாட் கண்டினியூ ஹிஸ் ஜாப். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, வாட் இஸ் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் டேக்கன் பை த பர்டிகுலர் கம்பெனி, அதாவது ஒரு டிசிஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. இது நீ எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுவேன், ஹவு டு ஹேண்டில் திஸ் சிச்சுவேஷன், ஹவு டு ஹேண்டில் திஸ் ஹசார்ட் சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ், இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன் ஒன்று. பட் பிகாஸ் ஹீ இஸ் a good employee. Okay, so in this situation what kind of decisions you will take, so சொல்லுவாங்க. So இதுதான் this is called as numerical reasoning test. Okay, so verbal reasoning test. What is verbal reasoning test? Verbal reasoning test. Verbal reasoning test. Verbal reasoning test. It measures the candidate's ability to comprehend the written test. Verbal, that's a verbal or non-verbal. Verbal reasoning test, verbal or non-verbal. Okay, so give some comprehensions, give some written test, some they give some the particular company is given some written test or some aptitude test. Okay, so that is called a verbal reasoning test. Okay, verbal. This is one of the aptitude test. What is aptitude test? The aptitude test means to measure the candidate suitably for particular job. Verbal. These are the jobs. Okay, that is aptitude. But the aptitude test may be based upon numerical reasoning test. Then second one is verbal reasoning test. Okay. In that one is inductive reasoning test. What do you mean inductive? Inductive reasoning test. Inductive reasoning test is test to measure the candidates for apply for a logical reasoning. Logic apply பண்ணனும். Okay, so logical reasoning, that is called inductive. Inductive means late logical. Okay, logical. Okay, that is called inductive. Logically they in the particular person, particular interviewee. Okay, so the particular company is giving some good questions. Okay, so that is why they have to take some logical decision, that is called inductive reasoning test. Okay, so next one is mechanical reasoning test. Mechanical reasoning test. What mechanical reasoning? So this test is measured based upon only, that is the mechanical students in engineering college. That is questions asked from mechanical subjects, mechanical theories, that is their level practical questions. Okay, so this is called mechanical reasoning test. Okay, so next one is diagrammatic reasoning test. Diagrammatic reasoning test. Okay, diagrammatic reasoning test. What is a diagrammatic? They given some diagrams. Okay, so abstract, they given some abstract ideas, then diagrams for particular questions. Okay, so abstract ideas and shapes, then figures. Okay, then and to observe the and abstract ideas from these figures and this shape. ஒரு ஷேப் கொடுத்துருவாங்க, ஒரு டயக்ராம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. இந்த டயக்ராமத்தை உனக்கு என்ன ஒரு ஐடியா கொடுங்க, இந்த டயக்ராமத்தை என்ன நீங்கள் இது பண்ணுறீங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு வீல் மாதிரி இருக்கும், அந்த வீல் வந்து இப்படி சுற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும் பார்த்தவங்க. ஸோ இதுலேருந்து உனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும், ஒரு என்ன ஒரு கிடைக்கும், அப்சர்வேஷன் பண்ணுறீங்க, என்ன அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் ஐடியா அது ஹேவ் டு வாட் இஸ் யுவர் டிசிஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் diagrammatic reasoning test. Next one is spatial reasoning test. What is spatial reasoning test? Spatial reasoning test, it means that is the test measure the candidate to choose most desirable action. கரெக்டான ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்கிறானா, என்ன சிச்சுவேஷன் இருக்குது, என்ன ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட் பண்ணுறான், என்ன ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறான், என்ன பேட்டர்ன், என்ன சீக்வன்ஸில் இருக்குது, இந்த பேட்டர்ன் என்ன சீக்வன்ஸில் இருக்குது, என்ன இந்த சீரீஸ் என்ன சீக்வன்ஸில் இருக்குது, 5 6 4 5 5 10 15 என்ன சீக்வன்ஸ் இருக்குது, 5 into 2 10 5 into 3 15. ஸோ என்ன சீக்வன்ஸ், என்ன பேட்டர்ன். ஸோ தே ஹாவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த பேட்டர்ன் அண்ட் சீக்வன்ஸ் ஆஃப் தட் பர்டிகுலர் கொஸ்டின். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் spatial reasoning test. Okay, so next one is situational judgment. Situational judgment. This according to the situation, they have to select some judgment. They give some judgments. Okay, that is called as situational judgment. Next one is vocabulary test. Okay, vocabulary test. What is vocabulary? So this is this also test recognize the relationship among the another figures, another thing, thinking ability, fluency in English. Okay, thinking ability, fluency in English, fluency in subject particular area, that is called vocabulary. Particular language. Okay, that is called ஒரு language. இந்த language எப்படி உனக்கு நல்லா how will you translate. Okay, so that is ஒரு language. தமிழ் language இருக்குது, இங்கிலீஷ் language இருக்குது, ஹிந்தி language, மலையாளம் இருக்குது. எப்படி how will you translate, how will you identify that language, that is a vocabulary. Okay, verb. Okay, verb, that is prepositions, articles. Okay, so இதுதான் அந்த language is more importance. Okay, number sequence என்னது, number sequence. உடைய நம்பர் சீக்வன்ஸ் என்னப்பா, நம்பர் சீக்வன்ஸ்னால் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, அது வந்து த லாஜிக்கல் செட் ஆஃப் ஆஸ் நம்பர் சீரியஸ் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொன்ன மாதிரி என்னது 5 10 15 25 30 35. ஸோ இந்த பேர்டன் லாஜிக்கல் சீரிஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது, நம்பர் சீரிஸ் எப்படி அவனுக்கு ஆடிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது, நியூமரிக் ஸ்கில், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஸ்கில்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது, தென் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஸ்கில்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது. இதை ஸோ வி ஹவ் டு ஜட்ஜ், வி ஹவ் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை, தென் மேக்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட். ஓகே, மேக்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் ஒர்க், திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் நம்பர் சீக்வன்ஸ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் டெஸ்ட்டுங்காங்க. வாட் இஸ் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் டெஸ்ட்டு? திஸ் டெஸ்ட் மெஷர்ஸ் தட் கெப்பாசிட்டின்னு அச்சீவ் இன் அ பர்டிகுலர் ஏரியா. ஒரு ஏரியாவில் அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறான், இந்த ஏரியாவில், இந்த ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஏரியாவில் இந்த இன்ஜினியரிங் ஃபீல்டில் இருக்க அந்த சிவில் ஃபீல்டில் எப்படி அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறான். ஸோ the particular company is having to check whether the person is know the particular field. Okay, the achievement test. Okay, and also the particular institution the conduct regular examination, that is the proficiency. Regular examination conducted, that is on the basis that is a proficiency to find out the correct persons. Okay, for example, a driver may be asked to drive vehicle test, that is called vehicle test. சொல்கிறாங்களா when you go for RTO office, okay, they asked to drive the vehicle, because of then only they have to give landing that is a 6-month landing, then landing period, then afterwards they will give license. Okay, that is the driver may be checked, they will be asked to drive the vehicle, that is the vehicle test. Okay, next one, music student may be asked to play the music. நம்ம ஒரு மியூசிக் இருக்குது, அந்த ஒரு மியூசிக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ப்ளே பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. சிங்கிங் ஒரு சிங்கர் இருக்காங்க, சிங்கர்ஸ் டு சிங் எ சாங் ஃபார் எ பர்டிகுலர் the lyrics. Okay, so that is called as achievement. And also teacher candidate, when you go for interview, that is a when you go for institution, that is a college or a school, so the institution may be asked to take a demonstration, that is called as achievement. Okay, so next, intelligence test. What is intelligence quotient? Okay, or one intelligence or the psychological test to measure the capacity of that particular person, skills required, ability, mental ability, verbal and mental ability. Okay, mental attitude, individual capacity of the candidate. Okay, this the particular intellectual potential, that is intelligence quotient. Okay, IQ level. Okay, IQ level. Okay, so this is called as, so on the basis of age, இந்த IQ level on the basis of age. சின்ன பையனுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன பையனுக்கு ரொம்ப IQ இருக்கும். ஒரு ஒர்க் பண்ணுற பீப்புளுக்கு IQ எப்படி, how they will check for IQ level, mental ability level, mental quotient level. Okay, mental potential, that is a potential person's in potential energy, that is potential, that is intellectual potential, that is called as intelligence test. Okay, so achievement is over, intelligence over. Judgment. What do you mean judgment? Judgment என்னப்பா? The judgment is based upon to find the capacity of the person, the presence of mind, that is very important. Presence of mind, presence of mind, and the presence of mind என்ன ஜட்ஜ் பண்ணுறான். So this is also one of the aptitude test. Okay, this is one of the under the aptitude test. Okay, aptitude test may be divided into numerical reasoning test, mental verbal reasoning test, inductive reasoning test, that is logical, mechanical reasoning test, diagrammatic reasoning test, then spatial reasoning test, situational judgment test, vocabulary test, number sequence. Okay, this is the test they conducted in aptitude. Okay, achievement. What are achievements? I already told some examples. That is the particular person is having a skill in particular area. Driver may be asked to drive the vehicle, that is a vehicle test. Teacher may be asked to take demonstration, that is in institutions. Then the music students play music. Okay, that is called achievement in particular area. Intelligence quotient, mental ability, that is a psychological test, mental ability. Okay, that is a intelligence test. புரியுதா? ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட் என்ன? ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட். ப்ரெசன்ஸ் அந்த டயத்தில் என்ன ப்ரெசன்ட், அந்த இதில் மைண்டில் என்ன இருக்குது, ஒரு எக்ஸாம்ஸ் போகிறான், அந்த இடத்துல என்ன ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது, அதை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. தட் இஸ் கால் ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் அ ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட் டெஸ்ட். காட் இட்? ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பர்சனாலிட்டி டெஸ்ட்டுங்கிறாங்க. பர்சனாலிட்டி டெஸ்ட்னா என்னப்பா? Personality test refers to the candidate conducted on the basis of conducted the non-intellectual. Intellectual means that ability. Non-intellectual means that is ability. Non-intellectual that is personality. Personality என்னப்பா? இந்த பையன் நல்லா இருக்கான், இஸ் a good attitude, நல்ல attitude இருக்கு, இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் டெல்லிங் ட்ரூத், நாட் டெல்லிங் லைஸ். உண்மையை பேசுகிறான். தெரியலையா சார்? ஐ டோன்ட் நோ சார், I have the skill, sir. Okay, that is the guts, guts. Okay, so having some courage. Okay, so personal test refers to the test Personality test refers to the test. This is based upon this interest, personality, projective, attitude. Okay. In what is my personality? The personality test refers to that is a non-intellectual. Okay, that is important thing. Non-intellectual. 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 That is called personality. That is intellectual. Based upon intellectual. Intellectual, non-intellectual. Got it? Okay. So, based upon that is a namely temperament, emotional, then emotional feeling, capacity and stability. Capacity and capability and stability. Sir, I can do this, sir. That is a strong motivation, strong skills. Okay, sir, I can do it, sir. Sir, I have no other, sir. Is telling truth, not telling lies. Okay, so that is not intellectual. Presence and also later. Passing a good attitude. Nalla irpan, nalla pesuvan, nalla attitude. That is a relationship between others. Some person is alone. The thing. Some persons only want alonely thing. There is living alonely. Some persons only. Some person is talking with others and mingling with others. Okay, mingle பண்றாங்க. That is a relation, good relationship with others. Okay, that is called as personality. That is called personality. Okay, so that is here. That is good attitude, good capability, good stability, then good intellectual, non-intellectual minds. Okay, so the first one is interest. What is interest? The interest may be the person is the person is interest just measure the candidate that the extent of interest is particular area. Particular area la interest irukku. Okay, so the knowing particular area interest irukku. Okay, so that is called particular interest means that's a marketing area, financial area, then sales area. Okay, that is called interest. Personality. The personality is standardized. They prepare standardized questionnaire. Standard questionnaire administrator for the candidate. Standard questionnaire for example, and for particular personal state likes intrapersonal, interpersonal attitude. Then introvert, then extrovert. What do you mean introvert? Introvert means the person who prefer only to be alone rather than others, rather than other people. Alone only. People by alone only. So சில person என்ன பண்ணா ரொம்ப தனிமையா இருப்பாங்க, ரொம்ப அமைதியா இருப்பாங்க, ரொம்ப பீஸ்ஃபுல்லா, ரொம்ப அமைதியா இருப்பாங்க, ரொம்ப மற்றவங்க மிங்கிள் ஆக மாட்டாங்க, ரொம்ப அமைதியாக இருப்பாங்க, வேலை உண்டு தான் உண்டு வேலை உண்டு. ஸோ அதாவது அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸுக்கு என்ன இப்போ கொஸ்டின்ஸுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி தே ஆன்சரிங் சம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ், தே வில் ஆன்சரிங் சம் கொஸ்டின். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் introvert. Extrovert means they mingle, that is good relation with others, good attitude, confidence, good confidence. That is called as personality. Okay, so the personality is having them likes introvert, extrovert, then good attitude, good relation with others, then more that is the high confidence level, that is good exposure, that is a personality. What is projective test? Projective means in projective they have that is an apprehensive personality. They have apprehensive personality. Then they related to pictures and figures. ஒரு பிக்சர் கொடுத்து ஃபிகர் கொடுத்து உன்னோட இது என்ன நீ திங்க் பண்ணுற, உன்னுடைய ப்ரொஜெக்டிவ் என்னது, உன்னோட ஆட்டிடியூட் என்னது, இதை என்ன எப்படி நீ how will you say this answer, how will you answer this question. Okay, that is called as projective. ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்களுடைய ஆட்டிடியூட் ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இந்த zone அவங்களுடைய ஆட்டிடியூட் ஷோ பண்ணுறாங்க. shown to him that a particular situation, act as a particular situation. Okay, that is called projective. That is also called as dramatic test. Okay, dramatic appreciation test, dramatic appreciation or projective. Okay, ஒரு பிக்சரையும் ஒரு ஃபிகரையும் கொடுத்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அது அந்த பிக்சர் ஃபிகர் how will you answer this particular, how will you identify the particular figures, how will you identify particular pictures, that is called as projective. ஓகே, இந்த பிக்சர் என்ன வரும், இதுக்கு அடுத்து என்ன வரும், இதுக்கு அடுத்து என்னப்பா வரும், ஒரு ஆட்டிடியூட் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறான், இந்த நான் இன்டெலெக்சுவல் ஆட்டிடியூடை Okay, that is a non-verbal reasoning. Okay, attitude. Attitude test means this test. Attitude test means this test. That is moral study, then social responsibility, then good relation with the customer, good coordination with the customer, because the marketing manager is having only the good relation, good attitude, good motivation, good confidence. Sir, the product na vittarven, I have to sell this product, definitely I will earn more profit, definitely I will attract the customers. That is called good attitude, good confidence, good exposure. That is called as attitude. You got it? Okay. So the measure on the basis of measure this the particular company is conducted some this kinds of interview. Okay, this kinds of test. Okay. So next in interview means you know the interview panel, that is a panel interview, stress interview. Okay, so group interview. Okay, this is a interview. They have to conduct the interview. Reference means when you that is a reference means good, that is a well known people. So the particular company is collecting information about you from well known people. Okay, that is called reference. Approval higher authority. Okay, so he is selected from CEOs or manager, high manager level. They have to select the particular candidate. Final selection means the final steps of selection. Contract of employment. The contract of employment means that is give job descriptions, job that is a job details. Okay, so these are information given in that is a contract employment. Okay, I hope you are very well understand about this concept. Okay, this next video we are going to see about that is interview. Okay, to interview this video you have to that is these are the topic we discuss in this video. Okay, so ability, personality. The ability test means aptitude, achievement, intelligence, judgments. Aptitude means that is suitability. This aptitude means differentiating based upon this test. Numerical, verbal reasoning, inductive, that is logical reasoning, mechanical students, they are on the mechanical questions, diagrams. Okay, spatial means that is a situation, that is a find out the solutions, situation judgment on the basis of situation, vocabulary, that is find out the vocabulary, number sequence. Okay, these are the topic we discuss in this video. I hope you are very understand about this concept. Thank you for listening video. Thank you so much.